Hello everyone, this is Alex Smith and welcome to Knowledge the Ambition. So today in this particular session, we will discuss about World Competitiveness Index 2021. So here we will discuss most important points according to your exam perspective from the World Competitiveness Index 2021. So before moving further, just make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates. So let's start here. First of all, we will discuss the background. The IMD, the Institute for Management Development. The IMD World Competitiveness Ranking ranks 64 economies and assesses the extent to which the country promotes the prosperity of its people by not only measuring economic well-being through the hard data but also through the survey responses from the executive. This year's ranking exposed the economic impact of the pandemic across the globe. Now here you can see this ranking, the World Competitiveness Index 2021, and a little comparison between the previous year rankings. Kindly remember these important points. Number 1, 64 nation list was led by the Switzerland. The World Competitiveness Index 2021 was topped by Switzerland. Number 2, India maintained 43rd rank on an annual World Competitiveness Index compiled by the Institute for Management Development that examined the impact of COVID-19 on economies around the world this year. And another, the Singapore. The Singapore has slipped to the 5th place from the first in 2021. In 2021, Singapore was at the first place, but in 2021, Singapore slipped at the 5th place, as well as Sweden has moved up to the 2nd position from the 6th last year. Last year in 2020, the Sweden was at 6th place, but in 2021, Sweden has moved up to the 2nd position. The Denmark has lost 1 place and to the rank 3rd. And other, the Netherlands. Netherlands has retained its 4th place. So these are the top 5 countries in the World Competitiveness Index 2021. Here you can see the Switzerland, which is the top country, Sweden at the 2nd place, Denmark at the 3rd place, Netherlands at the 4th place, and Singapore at the 5th place. Here you can see the comparison between the 2020 and 2021. Singapore was at 1st place in 2020. Here in 2021, Singapore slipped to the 5th place. Now another, the Taiwan reached the top 10 for the first time since the ranking began 33 years ago, moving up from the 11th last year. So Taiwan is a country which is reached to the top 10 for the first time since the ranking began 33 years ago. In 2020, it was at 11th place, and UAE and USA remain in their same spots as the last year, 9th and 10th respectively. Here you can see the top performing Asian economies, which are Singapore at the 5th place, Hong Kong at the 7th place, Taiwan at the 8th place, and China at the 16th place. Here you can also see the ranking among the BRICS nations. In BRICS nations, India is ranked 2nd after China. India is at 43rd rank and China is at 16th rank, followed by the Russia 45th rank, Brazil 57th, and South Africa at 62nd. Here you can see the India's overall ranking in the World Competitiveness Index. In 2017, it was at 45th. In 2018, 44, and 2019, 2020, 2021, India maintained the 43rd rank. According to the IMD, India has maintained its position for the past 3 years, but this year it showed significant improvements in the government efficiency, and this can be a result of relatively stable public finances despite difficulties brought by the pandemic.